Hello my dear students, I Rahul Mishra and today we will discuss molecular mass of polymer. So before studying this topic we have to know some points. So during polymerization, it means polymerization के समय, listen here, the polymeric chain get terminate at any stage. It means जो polymeric chain होती है, it means this is a polymeric chain. It will get terminated, ये टूट जाती है at any stage means किसी भी stage पर. So listen, the exact mass of polymeric chain cannot be calculated. तो जो पॉलीमर का एग्जैक्ट मास है वो एग्जैक्टली कैलकुलेट नहीं किया जा सकता. सो लिसन, वी टेक एवरेज मॉलिकुलर मास, इसलिए हम लोग एवरेज मॉलिकुलर मास लेते हैं एंड वी टॉक अबाउट एवरेज मॉलिकुलर मास ऑफ पॉलीमर, और किसी पॉलीमर के एवरेज मॉलिकुलर मास की बात करते हैं. सो लिसन, ड्यू टू टर्मिनेशन देयर विल बी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ चेन सेगमेंट्स. इट मीन्स जो चेन सेगमेंट हैं या टूटी हुई चेन हैं जिनकी लेंथ डिफरेंट है. सो लिसन हेयर, इफ लेंथ विल बी डिफरेंट, देन लिसन, then mass of chain segment will also be different. If mass will be different, so we will talk about average molecular mass. So listen here, average molecular mass of polymer is of following type. First one is number average molecular mass. It is represented by mn bar. इसको mn bar से represent किया जाता है. So listen here, mn bar equal to sigma ni mi upon sigma ni. So correct it, this is sigma ni. So listen here, mn bar equal to sigma ni mi upon sigma ni. So listen here, sigma means summation. For example, if we have n1 unit of m1 mass, it means अगर हमारे पास m1 मास की n1 यूनिट है, m1 मास की n1 यूनिट है, एंड लिसन, इफ वी हैव n2 यूनिट ऑफ m2 मास, then and third thing, if we have n3 unit of m3 mass, it means length will be different because mass is different. And if we have n3 unit of m3 mass, it means अगर हमारे पास m1 मास की n1 यूनिट है, m2 मास की n2 यूनिट है और m3 मास की n3 यूनिट्स हैं. यूनिट मीन्स चेन सेगमेंट. देन लिसन, फार्मूला इज सिग्मा ni mi अपॉन सिग्मा ni. इट मीन्स हम कह सकते हैं n1 m1 plus n2 m2 plus n3 m3 upon n1 plus n2 plus n3. This will be your formula. Similarly, second average molecular mass is weight average molecular mass, and it is represented by mw bar. Its formula is sigma ni mi square upon sigma ni mi. Its formula is sigma ni mi square upon sigma ni mi. For this case, mw bar will be equal to n1 m1 square plus n2 m2 square plus n3 m3 square upon n1 m1 plus N2 M2 plus N3 M3. Now next topic is PDI. PDI means poly dispersity index. So this LO is not here. So polydispersity index. So what is polydispersity index? It is defined as the ratio of weight average molar mass to the number average molar mass. It means weight average molecular mass को जब हम नंबर एवरेज मॉलिकुलर मास से डिवाइड कर दें तो जो रेशियो आता है इसको पॉलीडिस्पर्सिटी इंडेक्स कहते हैं. एंड लिसन, फॉर नेचुरल पॉलीमर इट इज़ इक्वल टू 1. जो नेचुरल पॉलीमर होता है उसके लिए पॉलीडिस्पर्सिटी इंडेक्स की वैल्यू 1 होती है. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस सम न्यूमेरिकल. सो दिस इज फर्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल. A polymer chain contain two type of molecule A and B of molecular masses 10,000 and 15,000 respectively, and number of A and B are 2 and 2. A और B के कितने मॉलिक्यूल दिए हैं? इट मीन्स Na और Nb की वैल्यू दी है 2 और 2 respectively. Find Mn bar of the given polymer. इट मीन्स हमको निकालना क्या है? Number average molecular mass. This is bar. So listen here, how will you calculate it? So it is very simple. You have two polymer chain A and B. Listen. So molecular mass of A is Ma and molecular mass of B is Mb. And how many molecules of A? It is Na. And how many molecules of B? It is Nb. So number average molecular mass, we all know that Mn bar it is sigma Ni Mi upon sigma Ni. So it is equal to Na Ma plus Nb Nb upon Na plus Nb. So listen here, Na and Nb both are 2. So 2 plus 2 here in denominator. And listen, Ma is equal to given mass of A unit is 10,000 and mass of B unit is 15,000. So Na Ma will be 2 into 10,000 plus Nb Nb will be 2 into 15,000. So on solving we will get number average molecular mass and it is 12,500. Now second question. So next question is, calculate the weight average and number average molecular mass in the mixture of 50 mole of mass 100 and 25 mole of molecular mass 40. It means Ma and Mb are given, or M1 and M2 are given, N1 and N2 are given. Simply we can put N1 M1, N2 M2 into this formula and we can calculate Mn bar. So listen here, Mn bar equal to sigma Ni Mi upon sigma Ni. So sigma Ni Mi we can write N1 M1 plus N2 M2 upon sigma Ni means N1 plus N2. So listen, N1 N2 is given, N1 is 50, N2 is 25 mole, and Ma means M1 means 100 and M2 means 40. It is also given. So only we will put these values into the formula of number average molecular mass and we will get the answer. So listen, number average molecular mass is calculated, it is 80. Now second part of this question, it is calculation of weight average molar mass. Its formula is sigma ni mi square upon sigma ni mi. It means n1 m1 square plus n2 m2 square upon n1 m1 plus n2 m2. So on putting all the values of n1 m1 and n2 m2, we will get weight average molar mass, and it is equal to 90. So listen, this is next question, and it is a polymer chain contains two type of molecule A and B of molecular masses 1000 and 1500 respectively in the weight ratio of 2:3. It means कोई पॉलीमर है जिसमें दो मॉलिक्यूल A और B हैं. इट मीन्स कोई दो चेन लेंथ हैं. मैंने मान लिया एक A है और दूसरी B है. So the molecular mass of first chain length is 1000 and second is 1500, and their weight ratio is given 2:3. So listen, here weight ratio is given. Here weight ratio is given. So listen here. Suppose total mass of polymer is 500. हमने मान लिया पॉलीमर का टोटल मास जो है वो 5000 है या 5000. Suppose total mass of polymer is 5000. Now listen. Polymer contain two molecule A and B. So molecular mass of A is 1000 and molecular mass of B is 1500. But listen, in this case weight ratio is given. Weight ratio is given and it is 2:3. 2:3. So listen here. So if we calculate Na and Nb, then we can find Mn bar. It means अगर हम Na और Nb की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर लें, या नंबर ऑफ A मॉलिक्यूल और नंबर ऑफ B मॉलिक्यूल. नंबर ऑफ A मॉलिक्यूल मीन्स नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ A एंड Nb मीन्स नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ B. अगर ये दोनों हमें पता चल जाए देन वी कैन कैलकुलेट Mn बार. तब हम Mn बार को भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. बट हाउ विल यू कैलकुलेट Na? So listen here. Na will be calculated as, it means Na will be, listen, number of moles of A. It is given mass of A upon molecular mass of A. So given mass of A is not known. So given mass of A, it will be equal to 2:3 means mass of A is 2 upon total mass. 2 plus 3 means 5 into 5000. This is the total mass of polymer. So it will become 2000, and mass of B molecule will be similarly 3 upon 5 into 5000. So it will be 3000. So number of mole will be given mass of A upon molecular mass of A. So we can calculate Na, and similarly we can calculate Nb. So Na, Nb, Ma and Nb, all four things are known. So on putting these values into this formula, we can calculate Mn bar. It means we can calculate number average molecular mass. So now this polymer chapter is completed.